What it do, YouTube? You know what it is. It's your friendly neighborhood RX1s. We back with another pedal review. So I got this in the mail a few days ago. Haven't really messed with it. I peeked at it. This is the Aerolite Joyo Compressor Dr.J. And it's smaller than I thought. So I was expecting something like this. I guess it's close. Anyways, this is my old compressor, and it's a little Temu joint. I got it a few years ago when I started playing guitar again. I didn't know if a compressor was going to be something I was going to be into, but I'm starting to like clean tones and stuff like that, classic rock sounds, modern 90s country type guitar stuff. So I like it, but there's not a lot of controls on this. That was my favorite setting, about right there for it. And it's pretty noisy. When you hit that switch, it kind of echoes throughout all the other pedals and comes through the amp, and I hate that. This one does it too. But this one has more control. 4 knobs, got a mix, a comp, attack, and output, plus a high, low, and mid input. That's pretty cool. A lot more control. Hopefully it's gonna sound better than this one. I don't know if I'll demo this one, maybe on another video. I'm gonna give this away. So there's another video. If you want this compressor, June 29th, I think I'm going to do a little drawing for it. Details in the description. Anyways, let's check this pedal out. So day 2 of this Joyo Aerolite Dr.J Compressor. This thing is really good, man. The knobs are tight. I like the switch. Kind of gives you a low compression or a high compression. The attack knob is great, and the mix knob is great, which is what this doesn't have. You know, it has a, I guess, what is this, the level? That's the output, and that's the comp there. It's just more controls there, you know. So it's a really good buy. I got a lot of classic rock tones. I love the way it adds some punch to it. And there were some other compressors I was looking at around the same $50 level. I got this on Temu a few years ago for like 12 bucks. But it served its purpose, you know. And I'm giving this thing away. There's another video. I'll link it to that where you comment. Just be a subscriber and comment under the video. And this can be yours. It works, you know. It's just not as good as this. But like I was saying, there's some other ones I was interested in, like if you get a used Dynacomp, MXR Dynacomp for 50 or 60 bucks. The Donner Lax Comp, which is a really pretty looking professional thing, that was around 50 bucks. And the next thing I was looking at was a Keeley compressor with the same amount of switches and knobs, but just a nice little shape to it. And this thing, hopefully that's the battery thing, but yeah, it's light and it's smaller than I wanted, but it gets the job done. It's got a great tone of its own. When I was just playing with the this, the reverb and the amp, it sounded good by itself. So that's something I don't think I would have done with this. It adds a little bit of distortion, which I thought was nice at times, and it has that clean chicken picking plucky sound that I really like for a compressor, which I actually had to do a lot of knob turning to get this to where I wanted it for that chicken plucky sound. But got it there. It sounds nice. This thing has a lot of other sound capabilities. It was a good buy. So stay tuned for my next pedal review. I think it's going to be an overdrive reverb combo, and hopefully, well, I don't want to tell you. I can't give away all my secrets. This is some rat distortion, the compressor, phaser, and reverb.